So welcome to the lecture series of computer programming. In previous videos we have seen about the formatted input and output. So today session I am going to take a discussion about the unformatted input and output. So unformatted input and output means you need not specify any format specifier for your data types. So this is called unformatted input and output. So it reduces the conversion from while getting the input to the output. While taking an formatted input and output, it will do some conversions while reading the input or getting the output, but while using an unformatted input and output, it does not do any conversions while doing the read or write operations. So for in this case it will give a fast access of reading and writing the or reading or displaying the outputs. So let's have a look of this. What are all the functions available in this unformatted input functions? The first one is getch. So getch refers to the, it will so these wait so this and all input function and this and all output functions. So getch refers to it read a single character without echoing it. What do you mean by echoing? Means when you typing a character, it just display the data in output. But when you use getch, it does not echoing. It refers to when you type a character, it does not display in the output screen. So it is called as without echoing it. So getch refers to it read a single character without echoing it. Next one is getch e, refers to the same similar to getch, but it does echoing it a character. Next one is getchar. So it read a single character and also echoing it. When you press the enter key, it will goes to the end of the program. Next one is getS. GetS refers to the string. So it reads the single string. Next one is output function. PutS refers to the string. It displays the single string. Then next one is putchar and push, refers to the, it display the single character in the console output. So let we have a look for this example. So this is the example for getch, getchar, getche. So these functions are mainly used to read a character. So I am going to declare a char c. You can also declare int c also. Why means it does not refers to the format specifier because it is a unformatted input and output. So it does not take care about the what are all the data type you are giving, right? So you can use char c or int c, anything, because it is an unformatted input and output. So in printf statement I am just displaying what function is running. So first one is getch. So how to read a character by using getch means you have to use a variable which you declare c equal to getch. So it refers to the, it read a character from the user, but it does not echoing it. Echoing it means, let's see the output for this two function. So it will print running getch enter a character. So it will ask for a character. When you enter a character, it does not display. Okay. So next statement, it comes for next statement. It will print the character. What is the character you gave here? It display it. For example, I gave the character B means it display B. So it means it does not echoing means when you type a character, it does not display in the output screen, but when you print this character, it will display. So does not echoing when pressed a character. So next one is printf, running getch e enter a character. So it will ask for running, so just display function enter a character. So just a printf function, just whatever text you give, just display it. So here I am using getch e to read a character. So C equal to get E. So E refers to the echoing a character. So it asks for a character. So when you type a character, it will display. For example, I am typing A means it will echoing it, and also goes to the next statement. So it will display the character A. So next statement, it goes to get char. So I am going to read a character by using get char. Same thing you are repeating here, C equal to get char. So get char does echo, and also you have to press enter key. So next, so here you have to include print. This is for just displaying purpose. Running get char, enter a character. So it print the next statement, and it is asking for the character because it comes to the statement and asking for the character. So when you type a character, for example D, so it just echoing it. So when if you want to display the next statement, the user need to press enter key here. So when the user press the enter key, the next statement will display. So this is the major difference between the three functions. So these are all the three unformatted input and output function. So now let's see get S functions. So I am going to write a program for this. So next we see about the output function of unformatted input and output. First one is gets, puts, third one. So let's see example for this two. So this is mainly for get and put a single string. So for using gets and puts, you have to declare a character variable as C. If I am going to get a country name, means I am going to declare a variable as country. So in this case, you have to declare with the storage value. For example, I am giving as 20, means it will store the 20 data. So this refers to the storage size. It is array or array size. So size of the variable is mentioned here. So next I am going to get a string by using gets. So gets of your variable name. So my variable name is country. Next one, I am going to print the data what I get by using gets. So by using puts, I am going to print the data. It is a simple syntax for gets, variable name, and puts, and are followed by variable name. So the output will be the enter a country. So it will ask for the country name. For example, the user can type a country name as India. Next, so you can get the single string. Next it will goes to the statement and type a value as, type a statement as the country name is. Then it will display the output which is stored in the country. So what value stored in that form variable name country means India. So it display the value as India. So this is the example for gets and puts. So next we're going to see example for this put and putchar. Put ch and putchar. So it is to it is mainly for write a single character. So for using a character, I am going to declare a variable int c equal to a. So here you can declare any data type because it does not affect it because it is an unformatted data types. So I am going to display this character. So put ch, it display. So put ch will display the value which is stored in the variable c. The same thing next I am going to use putchar. The same thing will repeat it by using putchar function. So instead of assigning a value to the variable, you can directly display a character by giving inside the single quotes. So it will display, take a character as D. When you giving inside the double quotes, it will take a character, it will print the character D. Same thing you are using here. The output of the program is A, D, D. So this here refers to put ch and putchar. This put ch with directly assigned variable, then putchar with directly assigned variable. Thank you for watching this video.